Welcome to the Term 4 Final Test Review Sheet Solution tutorial. Here I will be covering number 13. It asks us to answer the following using this graph to the right. The graph to the right here is our quadratic because the shape here is a parabola. First of all, if it is a function or not, to determine if it is a function, we use something called the vertical line test. The vertical line test is when we draw a line straight down. Okay, once we draw a line straight down, we will see if it passes through more than one point. It is not a function if it passes through more than one point here. So let's draw a line straight down. Yep, it passes, 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 because look, it only crosses through one point. So we would say it is a function. Here, we can circle it as it is a function because it passes one point. What is the domain of the function of this graph? And again, the domain, we are looking for the x value from left to right. So from the left, if we go all the way left, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It goes all the way here because it's an arrow. It goes all the way here to negative infinity. Then we go to the right-hand side. That's another arrow. It indicates that it goes to positive infinity. So we would say the domain here would be open, parenthesis, negative infinity, comma, positive infinity. What is the range? The range here, we are looking at the y value. So we are looking from the down to top or bottom to the top. Notice from the bottom here, it starts from what? -1, -2. We go all the way to negative infinity. We go all the way up and we stop right here at this point. That is very interesting because it looks like it's halfway. So it's like 4.5. So we would say it goes from negative infinity, open of course, comma, all the way to positive 4.5, close it because it touches the 4.5 here. Lastly, what is the end behavior? The end behavior are the arrows. So for the left arrow, we write x is going, so for this is the left arrow. X goes to negative infinity. That's the left arrow. It's this one. This is the x goes to negative infinity part. And this is the x is going to positive infinity. X goes to positive infinity. So when x goes to positive infinity, what happened? Well, we saw that it goes down. So y went to negative infinity. When x was going to positive infinity, y went to positive infinity. No one writes that positive. Just write just infinity. There you go. Next, it asks us for what interval is the function increasing? Well, it is going up right here. So this is increasing. So it came from all the way from negative infinity. It goes all the way to this line of symmetry that we have here that it cuts down right here. So it was increasing all the way to that point. So it came all the way from our negative infinity because that was our left side. Came all the way from negative infinity. Then it stopped here at the x-intercept. The x-intercept here, no, sorry, it stopped here at the vertex, the x value. So this looks like it's in the middle. This is 1, 2, 3, so it's 3.5. So it goes all the way to 3.5 and it stops. So it's open from negative infinity all the way to 3.5 and you stop it. Then after that, it starts decreasing. Notice it starts decreasing here on the left hand side. It starts decreasing, and again it starts decreasing from that point 3.5 and it goes all the way to positive infinity. Open it at positive infinity and close it at 3.5. So notice it goes from the decreasing interval right here to the increasing interval right here. This should always match up. There should be no gap for a parabola because it is continuous. All right, so negative infinity goes to 3, then goes to 3.5. It stops at 3.5. It goes to positive infinity and it starts decreasing. So there you go. That is number 13.